Hello everybody, Besimile here, back again with a new video. And in today's video I'm so excited to show you guys how you can make money on a daily basis following this tip. With that being said, let me just tell you that this channel is basically for people who really want to learn how you can develop yourself in terms of making a passive income, learning new skills, tips and tricks online, and more. So before we start this video, hope you like right now this video, subscribe and share with your friends so we can have a bigger family. So let's move to my screen and see how we can start. Okay guys, so here we are on a website that's called ClickBank. I think most of you know this website, but this is not what we are going to talk about. So what I'm trying to tell you here is that let me show you that. So on this website, ClickBank is getting 5 million monthly traffic, and most of the traffic United States, India and Canada, United Kingdom. And if you see this traffic here is coming from direct and search and emails. So what I'm trying to tell you here is that you need to benefit from this third one, which is email, so you can use your affiliate links and market them. But now we are not going to use only ClickBank, but there is another website that I want to share with you guys here, and you can see how to use it. So the website actually is called let me drop the link here. Okay, so the website actually is called Digistore24. So we just gonna have a look about this website and see why they have 2.3 million monthly traffic, and they are ranked first in Germany. As you see here, made in Germany, so it's a German company, and 60% of the traffic is just German. So which means like you will be targeting the European market, and then you can have a lot of sales here. So what I'm trying to tell you guys, so we have two options, whether you want to be an affiliate or you can drop your product, whether it's a service you provide, a website, anything else, So we have two options. So we can be an affiliate. Let's, for example, click affiliate so I can explain to you basically what's an affiliate is. So basically an affiliate person is that you take a product somewhere and then you bring the buyer, and after the buyer get this product, you get your commission. And they are saying here it's up to 70% per sale. And they said that they have generated over 250 million sales is generated in last year, and they have over 8,000 products on the marketplace. So the first thing here, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go to a marketplace and see what they have. They have this is the first one. They're saying 29% commission just for you for making this. They say they have made this amount on Stripe and more. This is the after page. You can read more about this, the commission, earning card visitor, earning per sale, created 17 weeks ago, and billing type single payment, cancellation rate 13%. So this is like everything you need to know about this software. There is a variety of categories of digital products that you can market them, and then you can benefit from these as making your passive income. Actually, this website is a trusted website because I was trying to see if it's really a trusted website that I can show you guys and you can benefit from this. So as you see here, we said that at least 1 year, and they have 2.3 million visitors, ranked in Germany and then United States, Australia. As you can see here, the map, which means like these people, they know what they are doing. The website looks good, it's really professional. So here, for example, it jumped to let me try to pick something good. For example, services, and see what they have for services. Daily trading profits video course. This is a course for trading. You will be getting how much? Okay, 40% commission, but it's not clear here. Let me check. Okay, you will get this amount. That's good. Let me go back to social media. Most of people like social media. Okay, 50% commission. 50% commission, price average. Okay, what the best Instagram course? Okay, this is an Instagram course you need to market. You will be getting your revenue. Instagram million guide, Instagram viral growth, the influencer create massive fame online. Let's go to the last one, which going to be software. Okay, we have digi member, vp member plugin. This is a WordPress plugin that you need to market. You'll be getting 25%. The average earning, I think the average earning, where is it? 73. Wow, that's a lot. Let's click promote, for example. So now after we click promote, we need to make an account, vendor or an affiliate. I'm gonna be an affiliate, for example. I just gonna put a name as Bassem online. Good. But okay, let me just fix this, guys, and then we can continue. Okay, guys, so after you get here, you will see congratulations that your account was created. You need to verify. So let me now jump to my email and verify this, and then we can get back to see the screen. Okay, guys, so I was able to verify my email. So here is the link. I will just paste here and then open it. So it will be verified real quick. Attention, password account. So let's just click here and see if this is working or not. Okay, guys, finally we are here on this website. So you can see that I was able to log in, and then I am here. So I was facing some difficulty because they are not approving certain countries. So you can see the trick that I will just pop up here. You can see what I did, and you can do the same. So what I did is just like you have to change your VPN location to a certain country. It doesn't matter where the country. So I have the best location for this is the United States. So if you are already in United States, it's going to be easy for you. So here you can see the summary. You can track your earning, the promote click, earning per click, upsells, initial sales, cancellation rates, and everything that you can see here. So now we are here on the dashboard. Let's just go around and see what we can do with the account. So you can see here you are not working with any affiliates to increase your income. Now what I'm gonna do is I will just go around and see conversion tools. There is a lot of tools here. Create smart upgrade widget, a social proof widget, countdown, trust settings. There is a bunch of tools. If you really want me to make a video about how you can build something like let me show you like what if you want me to show you how you can make something like this, hold on a second. Lost it. Okay, let's click marketplace, and I'm gonna show you here. So if you want me to show you how you can make a page like this, exactly like this one here, as I think you have seen this guy every time on YouTube ads. He's saying like, I'll make you money, I make you money, I make you money. So I think this is his page, and let me check if he got some traffic on this page. Yeah, he got traffic on this page, guys. This is the link. He's getting 552,000 K per month visits from India and United States and Pakistan a little bit. So that's the guy. He's trying to promote his product using this platform. And the same thing, we can do both cases. If you want to promote a product, or if you want to make an affiliate and earn as well. So this is a platform. I'm gonna show you here. There is two views for the vendor. If I want to put my product, or as an affiliate, you will see another view, which is this one here. You can change the currency, euro and USD. That's the most common two currencies. And in my account, there is content links. Let me click payouts. That's what we care about. And here you can see the payouts on the 7th, on the each like they pay you under certain dates. There is US bank, international bank, and PayPal. We can use PayPal, set up your email PayPal, and then you can put USD, and then you can add your PayPal like this, set up my PayPal email. It will ask you for a password, then I'll add these details, and then there you go. Then you can ask for payout whenever you get money. So if you need more video guys about this, please comment below. Please like and share with your people so I can give you more tips and techniques how we can get this up and rolling, how we can market this, and how we can earn more money by the time. So thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button right now, like and share, and comment below if you have any questions for me. Best Simulate here. See you next time.